do what you love. We spend a lot of time with like work and like obligations and things we don't really love doing. And I think that kind of messes with our mental health, messes with our mind, because your mind is never relaxed. Your mind is not meant to be like constantly like under pressure. Like God created us to be peaceful human beings, you know? So yeah, like if you love playing ball, basketball, whether it's soccer, whatever it is, find time to do that, prioritize that. I'm talking to myself too. Growing up, I used to like to go on the roof. Like I went on my roof for fun, like, or sometimes I want to get away. I'll go on the roof and lay down and just relax, or just sit down on the roof away from everyone and just get away, like nice breeze, see the birds and the clouds, and it was just a cool thing to do. So I just that was me. Another thing I did was I ran. I used to like to run. You know, I've been running track since I was like maybe 10. So running was always a part of me. So just running on the park, running around my neighborhood, like just running, like when I was angry, when I was sad, when I was happy, like I would just run, and that was like a major stress reliever for me. Funny enough, I thought that I would be running all my life. I would love running for the rest of my life. I went running the other day with a friend and with some friends, and man, that almost killed me because their pace was so fast compared to mine, and I was trying to keep up. But we gotta remember to run at our own pace too. That's a whole video I can make right there. But yeah, so I went running today and it felt good. You know, I did a little run, no pressure, and I feel relaxed. You know, I feel nice. So sometimes it's good to just do something you love. Hopefully it's a healthy thing, you know. Find healthy hobbies. Yeah, find a healthy hobby. Don't underestimate how much it could do to make you productive. Sometimes we think being productive is just working, but taking care of yourself, exercising, and participating in a fun, healthy hobby that you love, it goes a long way in your mental health. So that's my encouragement to you, and I hope that it is helpful. If it was, like this video, comment below, tell me what it is that you do that kind of helps you to keep yourself from going crazy. Subscribe if you haven't already, and look out for my next video.